still bent up.
Well, then why don't we hit it this way? Yeah, just a bit more.
Here, that's pretty close.
Oh, it looks fine. It's a lot better.
Well, try and put the...
Yeah, I mean, for the hit it took. Oh yeah, pretty damn good. Well, that's not bad. Demolition derby on salmon, and we only really need to replace 2 panels.
Well, cosmetics, really.
That's what you want to have it looking like.
Well, I want it looking like it's been rode. Yeah, the panels
probably
broken
fucking
and bent. But hey,
that's way better.
oh yeah, awesome. Character, man.
Yeah.
Remember that time?
Yeah. when fucking no one got scared and hid behind a tree.
First you laid across the trail, and this is not good. I need to get the fuck out of here.
You're gonna fuck up a shield. That was part of the good one.
Declan, you guys did so good this year at responsibility and listening to us and riding on the trail and everything, so we're going to make you guys honorary members of Team 306.
I've been waiting for this.
Kind of don't really agree with putting these on Arctic cats, but
no. How about right there?
Yeah.
welcome to Team 306. You were kind of reminding me when you were talking about all the places that you've been in North America, about the video when you were down visiting Chris Burandt. You were talking about Valemont and stuff like that, and Chris had said, yeah, you guys in Canada, I mean, Valemont, you've got some of the best riding that there is, right?
Like riding, tree riding.
I hear this a lot when I ask where you guys ride, and I get that answer a lot. Valemont, Revelstoke, all these places. You guys have the best riding in the world, the best tree riding in the world.
We got the best right here in our backyard, pretty much.
Yeah.
Hey boys, it's in the sun this time. Yeah. Thumbs up. Enjoy that up in the sun over there, no?
Oh, what a day, boys. Look at that, mountains.
Mountain.
That's a beauty, boy.
Pilot to co-pilot, we're on camera now, so
You can leave any time.
don't fuck up.
Taking off in a minute.
That's crazy, eh, boys?
Look how fast he's going.
Wow.
That poor fucker's got a dragon.
Oh no, that was a dragon.
That was a dragon.
Yeah, cut the cord, drop her.
Yeah, just drop her right there.
Well, that was awesome.
Oh, no
I've
kidding.
seen that before.
The only way we know to go. Squad up, never roll alone. And we gon' ride on forever. We ride out together. Pull up right in your zone. Take over the street, that's how we roll. And we gon' ride on forever. We ride out together.
Got no time to waste. Ain't no way these niggas stopping me. Oh no, flying from a mile away. It's not a problem, only real ones follow me. And I can do this with my eyes closed, blindfold 2 times over. Ride solo, I got women and got soldiers. I ain't tripping, can try get it, your night sober. Talking no melatonin, get it and fight coma. Who's the feeding with giant? It's feeding the fire. History be less than flee when they flying. You don't believe it, they try it. We don't believe it, just trying. I call the people to leave them 100 pieces divided. That's cold blooded. And I've been this dope life for summers. And I ain't really going for it, he say, or she say, keep it G for peace sake. I know that bone you pick might leave you in
This is the only way we know to go. Squad up, never roll alone.